Hello everyone, welcome to another session of Angular. In this session, we are going to discuss about what is two-way binding and how it works. Let's start. So, what is two-way binding? It is an interview question. Two-way binding is the combination of property binding and event binding. We already seen how property binding and event binding works. Please check my video. Even the syntax that we use for the two-way binding is the combination of property binding and event binding. Now let us see an example and then we talk more about what is two-way binding. So to use the two-way binding, we need to import one of the model called forms model. So go to the app model and here import from at angular slash forms forms model. So you can see that this is showing in the gray color because we haven't used it. So whenever you import any model, that model should go into the imports array. So forms model, save it. Now I will go to the users component and I will remove this button because we don't require it. Now let's go and see we have user component and show. So now I remove show button and instead of that I just add change country. Here I am going to add a bootstrap class button primary. So if you don't know how to include the bootstrap in Angular, please watch my last video. I will leave the link in the description of the video. Now let's go and see. You can see that change country. Before that, I would like to add one variable in users component. So go to the TypeScript file and here I am going to add one variable called country name, default value India. Let me make it type string. So let's take this. Let me go and print here. I am from and here country name and let me remove this h3 we don't require now, and now let's go and see. You can see I am from India. Okay, so I am from India now, and now what I do, I just add one more method called set country, and here I will just hardcode the value this dot country name equal to, let's say, USA. Now let me call this set country method on click of the button. So you know how to add the event binding using the parentheses event name equal to set country, and now let's go and click on the change country. You can see I am from USA. So far so good. So now what I do, I just add a input box here, input type text. Now I am going to add the class form control. Keep these two in one div. Let's say if you like to set the country name to the text box, how to do that? Using property binding, we can do that. Remember, you can do the property binding, use this bracket. And what is the property? So in HTML, we use the property called value to set the value to the text box. So value, and here what is the property or variable name, country name. So just give the country name as a variable. Now let's go and see. You can see that input now having the value test India. Let me change it to UK and click on change country. Here I can see I am from USA, and here also it is changed to USA. And let me change it again, let's say UK now, and click on change country. Now you can see that second time it is not updated, only first time it is updated. So when I click on the change country means it go and hit the set country method and it will change the value of this start country name equal to USA, and then the view is updated. So you can see that I am from USA, and also text box name is updated first time only, second time onwards we don't see this value change. Now if you want this value changed always, then we should listen to the change event. So now to make it to a binding working, we need to use the ng model. So let's use it, ng model equal to, and we need to give the value country name. If you do like this, save it. If you go and see, you can see that India, and when you click on change country, it changes the values. And if you change it value again and click on the change country, you don't see that this value get updated. So for that, we need to use the event binding also on the ng model. So how to use it? You have to use it inside these brackets like this. Now this is the combination of property binding and event binding. Now let's go and see the magic. So let me clear it one by one. So you can see that as soon as I am pressing the back button, even the value from this paragraph also changing. So now I am from I. See, nothing is there. Now you can see that I am from UK. I change the value of the text box. At the same time, the country name from this paragraph also changed. So I am from UK. If I start typing anything, okay, Bangladesh, you can see still it is changing. Now let's say we don't have anything. Let's say I keep it India. When I click on the change country, you can see that I am from USA and here also USA change. Now let me change it to US and click on the USA. Now you can see that it always changes. When I click on the change country, what we are doing? We are setting the value to this model. So which is nothing but a country. So whenever the model changes, view is also changing. And whenever view changes, see the model also getting reflected and the model value also changing. So this is nothing but a two-way binding.